Guys, how to properly open up a mandarin in no time. If I didn't already mention it, this is a question that is asked a lot from me. Just start from the center with your nail. Just kind of push your nail to the mandarin and then just start running from the center. Oh, maybe you cannot see it, now you can. Running from center, we go again. And then when you have reached the almost the other side, then just pull out the other side, and after that the other side here. So here we go, we have a great mandarin here, and also you can see this kind of elephant with ears and nose. So that's how you open up a mandarin, really. So try it out. It's a really simple advice, and that is the right way to open up the mandarin. So